Welcome to another episode from Desert Octane. Myself, Angel, along with John. John, how are you doing today?
Getting ready for this, man.
Yeah?
It's been a long day.
It has been. But people are wondering, what are we doing today? But first, we do have a special friend joining us.
Give me a round of applause.
Ah, yeah! Sergio.
Sergio.
Ladies and gentlemen,
How's
Sergio.
it going, guys?
He has an S550. It's fucking loud as shit. Sergio, what are we doing today?
Today, we are actually working on Angel's brake fluid. We're going to be replacing his brake fluid, straightening out the clutch fluid as well, and getting everything rocking and rolling for him.
Awesome. Well, let's go ahead and get this started.
Sounds good.
Here we go.
First, make sure your brake fluid is topped off. As you begin flushing, you always want to make sure that there is still liquid in the reservoir to avoid any type of air pockets from being created. Go ahead and jack up your car. Next, you'll be starting off the wheel farthest away from the master cylinder, then moving to the wheel next farthest until you're to the wheel closest to the master cylinder. Now, this next part may require you to have a friend. For this one, we had Sergio in the rear with myself in the driver's seat. While he went ahead and loosened, I kept the brakes compressed. Make sure that you do keep that communication open to avoid any type of air pockets. The last thing you want to do is be pumping the brakes with it loose like that. That will go ahead and create air in the line and make it a much bigger headache.
Bump it.
Holding. Floor.
Go ahead and continue this on the remaining 3, and just like that, you're done.
Alright, so that wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Clearly, the people at home, it's actually not too bad. Looked a lot worse from the top of the reservoir. But like you guys said, it's only about half-life anyways. So that was just kind of a quick run through. Sergio, thank you very much. I have greasy hands from touching this.
Thank you, sir.
John, how you doing?
Hey, buddy. It's cool now. Thanks, Sergio.
Hey, anytime.
But now I am gonna go find some lobster chips.